In April 2025, the Murshidabad district of West Bengal became the scene of violent protests. The unrest was sparked by demonstrations against the Waqf Amendment Act 2025, a law enacted by the central government. The protests escalated on Friday, April 11th, with significant violence reported in areas like Sooty and Samsarganj. According to Bengal's top cop Rajiv Kumar, rumor-mongering led to the violent protests. This carnage included looting, arson, and setting shops on fire. Victims recounted the absence of police during these events. Railway services were severely disrupted as thousands of protesters squatted on railway tracks in Sooty and Samsarganj. Massive blockades also occurred on national highways. Tragically, this violence resulted in 3 deaths. A senior police official stated that 2 deaths occurred in communal clashes, and 1 person who was injured in firing in Sooty on Friday died later. Separately, in the remote Jafrabad area on Saturday, a father and son were hacked to death by a violent mob. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee declared that her government would not implement the Waqf law in the state. She appealed for peace and urged people not to be incited for political gain, emphasizing that the law was made by the central government. She warned of strict action against perpetrators of violence. In response to the unrest, police arrested 220 people in connection with the violence. Additional Director General, Law and Order, Jod Shamam reported that police were attacked while intervening in blockades, and 18 police personnel sustained injuries. He also suggested that the gunshot injury might have come from the Border Security Force, BSF, as central forces had been deployed. The BJP strongly criticized the Trinamool Congress government and demanded the deployment of central forces and an investigation by the National Investigation Agency, NIA. The Calcutta High Court ordered the deployment of central forces in Jangipur. Trinamool Rajya Sabha MP Derek O'Brien accused the BJP of stoking the fires of communalism. While authorities stated that the situation was brought under control with the assistance of the BSF, the violence in Murshidabad underscores the deep divisions and tensions surrounding the Waqf Amendment Act.